What's the meaning of blood test? Blood test. Blood test.
Blood test. Blood test. A blood test, also known as a blood panel or blood work, is a medical procedure used to analyze a person's blood sample for various purposes. These tests are typically performed by drawing a small amount of blood from a patient's vein and analyzing it in a laboratory. Blood tests can provide valuable information about a person's health status, such as identifying potential health issues like infections, anemia, diabetes, liver disease, kidney problems, and more. They can also help monitor chronic conditions and evaluate the effectiveness of treatments. Overall, blood tests are a crucial diagnostic tool that can aid in the prevention and treatment of various diseases.